Hi guys, when I did a video of repairing my grandson's Ron Weasley wand from the Harry Potter series, Ants Sar asked why I hadn't just 3D printed one. Well, I thought of all sorts of excuses why not to, and then I thought I really could try, couldn't I? So on Thingiverse, there's a good selection of wands available for download, free. So I downloaded a Ron Weasley wand. This one is the maximum size I can print on my 3D printer bed in one piece. That's a bit small. I think it's about 180 millimeters or something. I googled Ron Weasley's wand to find out how long it should be, and it should be 36 centimeters. So this one is 36 centimeters cut in half. Obviously I've got to try and join it, and if I just glue the end together, that's not going to be very strong. So what I've done is I've actually printed it with a hole up the middle. My theory is I should be able to put something like a bicycle spoke up there. And then when I glue it together, the bicycle spoke should hold it in place. The only problem is I've noticed that hole isn't clear for some reason. And I'm sure I didn't select generate support inside, but looks like it's chosen to do it on that one and not on that one, because that one's perfect, isn't it? Anyway, I will separate it out and see if we can clean it up. It's funny how sometimes it comes apart easily and other times it just doesn't want to. I've no idea how strong it'll be. I've no doubt my grandson will manage to break it one way or the other. And then the next question is, what colour should I have printed it? Well, you get whatever colour filament I've got in the printer at the time, and it's green at the moment. I did look online how much wood effect filament is, and it's about twice as expensive as ordinary filament, or at least twice the price of what I pay for ordinary filament. I think this was less than £15 for a kilogram spool. Is it a kilogram or kilogram and a half? And the wood effect was more like 20 quid or more, depending on what sort of colour wood you wanted. Anyway, I'll tidy this up, see if I can get that out of the hole. I don't know if you can see what I'm talking about, but it's printed up the middle of the hole. Yeah, see if I can get that out, and then see if we can put it together. Well, I've cleaned them up. That one looks okay. That one has the bicycle spoke up the middle to give it strength. Super glued in place. Obviously you can see the join. No idea how long that will survive. I printed it on a very low fill level. I'm not sure if it's 10% or 20%, don't remember now. Which means it's pretty well hollow. Which on the one side makes it light and breakable. On the other side, if I made it 100% infill, it would probably break easier because it would snap rather than flex. The only way we'll find out is by giving it to my grandson and see how he gets on with it. I'm not going to think about painting it or anything at the moment. We'll just see whether it's serviceable first. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.